simply brilliant.
Thank you very much. We made nature art! We made nature art! We made nature art! Surprising, isn't it? Wink, wink.
Nature Cat, Squeaks, Daisy, and Hal are cartoon characters and not real animals. To keep all of our animal friends safe, check with a grown-up before you bring a pet on your next nature adventure.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system for the state of Maine. If this were an actual emergency, official information would follow the alert tones.
What happened?
They just found out PBS Kids has new adventures of Work It Out Wombats, streaming Monday, July 24th.
Come home to PBS Kids and...
Hey, everyone!
Molly of Denali.
Good morning!
Trini, Tui, and...
Hi!
Molly. Best friends.
Welcome to Kaya!
Ordinary adventures.
Let's do it again! We're a team.
Ordinary families.
Now let's get cooking.
And the extraordinary place they call home.
Whoa, it's beautiful.
Molly of Denali, streaming now, free on PBS Kids.
Funding for Nature Cat has been provided in part by the Hamill Family Foundation and by the Van Ekron family, founders of Land O'Frost. These generous donors, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Watch PBS Kids shows wherever I go.
Can I do that?
Anyone can on the PBS Kids video app. Just download them to your phone or tablet, and you're ready to go too. Wow, that's cool. It's free!
Looking for cool places to go and things to do this summer? Look no further than Maine Public's Insider's Guide to Maine Adventure. It's chock full of suggestions for Maine adventures sent in by you, our audience. Snap a selfie at any of our Insider Guide recommended stops and tag Maine Public, and you'll be entered into a drawing for a chance to win one of 10 amazing Maine Public sea bag and beach blanket combos, or the grand prize of an LL Bean stand-up paddleboard. Thanks to our sponsors for partnering with Maine Public on this handy guide.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Maine Public is celebrating the power of music all this July by collecting forgotten musical instruments and getting them into the hands of young music students across the state. Turn an unneeded instrument in your attic or basement back into music once again. Call or visit mainepublic.org for all the details. And thank you.
Kitchen. We've all been there, but I'm here to help. Here we go. With 3 new recipes, each one inspired by my travels through the state of Sonora. These are simple recipes that are sure to bring smiles